Trying to sit up. Trying to sit up.
Look at that tripod. Impressive stuff, Ronan.
It's called a tripod because you're trying. It's not why it's called a tripod.
Oh no!
We're going to count that as rolling over.
Set him up. Let him try again. Face him more this way so I can...
Here we go, buddy. Here we go. How you doing? You want to hold hands for a sec? Let's hold hands. Nope, don't flail backwards. Try and stay forward, not backwards.
I'm not interested in the tripod anymore, are you, Ronan?
Hi, give me your hand. Give me your hand.
What do you see on your blanket? You see your pacifier? Oh, there we go. That's going to happen a few more times before you get it right, buddy. Here comes Loretta to see what's going on. Licking my hand.
Hi, Loretta, just either...
I wasn't expecting that to be the payoff of this video.